B.E.A. fam, good morning. Happy Sunday. We made it. We're a few hours away until kickoff. Jaguars versus Cowboys, 5-8. Jaguars take on the 10-3 Cowboys in TIAA Bank Field. I'm pumped up about this game. We have to win this game. There's so many different factors that I want to talk about and things that I think are really what's going to make or break us throughout this game. First things first, I have to give credit to our offensive line. 6 games in a row with no sacks whatsoever. Going to be extremely interesting today to see what happens. Cowboys are second in the league in sacks, 48 total sacks. Only second to the Eagles. They kept it in that division. Eagles at 49, Cowboys at 48. Jaguars have about 23 or 26 or something like that. I was looking at it earlier. That's not cool. But either way, we're going to have to be a wall for Trevor today, and Trevor's going to have to get out of the pocket. He's going to have to be mobile outside of the pocket, clearly, because these boys come at you. There's no way around that. So we really got to step up here on O-line. We got to protect our quarterback, protect 16 at all costs today. With that being said, I want to see a crazy amount of production from Travis Etienne, number 1, today. He did not have a good game last week. It is what it is. That's totally fine with me. Bounce back this week, Travis. Let's get it. I want to see I almost said 2 touchdowns. I'm pumped today. I am congested and I don't feel the best, but I am pumped up. I almost said 2 touchdowns for this man, and I might stick with it. I really might, because I feel like he really might get it. He's going to have a big game today. I have a strong feeling. We're going to need him to have a big game, put it that way. Our D-line. Trayvon is going to be out, most likely. So we're going to have to step up. We're going to have to pressure Dak as best as we can today. And we're going to have to stop the run. If we can force them to pass, I think we might be okay. I know Dak is a good quarterback, but we're first in league in passes defensed. And we can't let the receivers get behind us, all right, if we're in the secondary. But if we don't do that, we're very well at defending passes. So if we start to get to Dak, just pressure him a little bit, get into his area so that way we force him to throw the ball. Maybe we'll execute and force a few turnovers. You know, that's always what we want. So I'm excited for this game today, 1 o'clock. I think that we have a very fair chance of getting the W today. I truly do. I think the Cowboys defense is very strong, but I don't think that they are unbeatable. That's for damn sure. I don't think that they're as good as a lot of people make them out to be. It's almost like Dallas every year, so to speak. But we've lost a lot of games this year that I felt we should have won. So would I be surprised if we lose today? No. But do I think we're going to lose today? I don't think so. I really don't. I'm excited. Let's get this. Obviously, it's so crucial for playoff hopes. So let's get this. Let's make this happen. Titans versus Chargers. Let's get the L Titans. Till next time, guys. In a few hours, I'll be back for the post-game discussion and maybe celebration. We'll see. Believe, excel, achieve.